How's everybody doing today? All right, so today it looks like, gotta wait on the boat motor for getting a new starter for it. In the meantime, let's go check out this log splitter over here and see if we can get this thing running again. Let's do it. All right, so here we have a Country Line 25-ton gas log splitter with 11.5 second cycle time, and it's got the Kohler motor on it, the 6.5 horsepower, 196 cc engine. The complaint that's on this thing is when it's started up, it floods out. Well, by looking at this evidence right here, it looks like it's been dumping out gas. Yeah, gas is coming out the exhaust. So we'll see how this works out. All right, so this is the log splitter. Let's give it a couple tries here and see what happens. The fuel's off, choke is on. Is it locked up? No, it is not locked up. Uh-oh. Tried to turn the gas on and it just shut off. So let's see what's down inside the carburetor. Oh, well, it actually looks clean in there. Let's turn the choke back on and see what happens. Uh-oh. If it feels like it's starting to lock up, roll it over just ever so slightly, very soft with a firm pull, but do it slowly. You want to work that pressure out of there. Another fast way to get the pressure out of the head is to go ahead and remove the spark plug and either let it evaporate, or you can give it a couple of pulls and you'll just shoot gas right out of here or whatever's obstructing the piston. There we go. Turn the choke back off. See if we can get it cleared out here. Mind you, right here, I did shut the gas back off. Yes, I turned the choke on because I want to clear everything out of it. Turn this back off. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what's going on here. There's a big problem. Okay, right down here, right inside the carburetor, there is gas buildup down here in the bottom. So the carburetor itself is flooding out. That could be several issues. One, the float's stuck. Two, the needle's not setting right in there. And what I mean by needle is the needle valve that goes up and down when the float goes up and down to let the gas into the bowl. So, wow, that's some exercise there. Alright, so we'll get some parts ordered and see what we can do. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so if you have any ideas of what's going on with this log splitter right here and why it's flooding out, please leave a comment below. And I'll get back to you about it, and maybe we can figure out how to get this thing running right.
And I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.